Hey guys, I guess everybody's got their own way of cleaning a pellet stove, but I've got my own way, and this is just a daily cleaning. This isn't when you really get in there and open everything up and clean it out real good. Just a daily cleaning. Uh, I'll show you how I do it. I've got this Breckwell stove. Uh, I've had this type of stove for quite a few years, and I've kind of got it down my own way of cleaning them, and works pretty well. Don't have to spend much time doing it either. Here we go. Here it is. This is the Breckwell Maverick model. And I always like having an ash bucket. Need some place to put your ashes and your napkins when you clean it all up. And then I keep in here, it's just a container. I've got hand cleaner. I like to use hand cleaner. There's my bucket, some old used napkins that I'll use for cleaning at this time. And that's the pellet bucket with the scooper. Always want to check in here, make sure that's stirred up and it looks good for tonight when we need it. All right, open it up. That's what it looks like. Here's the ash or the burn bucket right there. You got ashes that just get all over the place. So this model doesn't really have a place for you to sweep the ashes down into. In here, the ashes will fall down into there, so we're going to be cleaning that out. All right, I'll show you how I do it here. Take all this out, take the burn pot out, just kind of dump everything in here. Set that down. Take your little paintbrush. Just brush everything out. Brush it all out. You've also got this little guy here that you should do it with the door closed. But this brushes off these little cooling tubes that are up in here. In this part, there's some cooling tubes in there, and on the inside there's ashes that get on that, and it kind of helps clean those off. So just sweep these up, get that clean. And I just sweep it into a pile off to one side over here. Take the little scraper thing here, my scooper to scoop it up. Stick it in the ash bucket. You don't have to get every bit of them out. You're just gonna burn some more tonight. And that's done. Then I'll just put these right back in here. You might have to use this tool right here if you get some ashes that are kind of stuck in here, and you just scrape it. And then you want to make sure this little hole right here is where the igniter ignites your pellets. So get that pointing in that direction where your igniter is. Stick that back in, slide it in there. And then I'll take a little bit of pellets, about like that. Kind of put them up in there right next to where that igniter is, because you want that igniter to catch those pellets on fire when you fire this baby up tonight. And then to clean the glass, first brush all the ash off of it. Then it's got these the dark marks on there from, I guess, heat and stuff. So that's when I get my hand cleaner. Just regular old like Gojo hand cleaner works great. Put a little hand cleaner on there. Rub it around. And kind of rub it all over to soften it while you're working on areas. Comes off pretty quick. You got all this stuff that gets dirty, you just throw it in your ash bucket. Roll that over a little bit. Throw that away. Here's another used one. I save my old used napkins or paper towels is what they are. And then this one, just take a little water, just dampen it just a little bit to remove the hand cleaner. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just gonna get dirty again, so clean that up. And you're done. Now we're ready to go for tonight. That's all there is to it.